present.
Mm,
Beg.
okay. I deal with you now, no problem.
So what I need to do now is to
Duplicate.
duplicate auto contact capturing group.
Yeah, that first one. Clone. Yep. So you just name her.
I will just add on 2.
Yep.
So it is now here.
So then you change the auto responder 1. Tap on it. Configuration. So scroll down to my rename is that 3. You don't pass am, you don't pass am. Na number 3. My rename is na him be this. Just tap am, yep. Go back. Go back. Go back. Yeah, save.
God. Okay. Nah, man. Immediately I just go there, tap am, and don't change automatic.
Yes, now. That's what you are doing now. We are linking the two stuff together.
Yeah.
So
So I have
then they change the email address, auto contact, that green arrow, tap on it. So tap on second one, yeah, configuration. Scroll down. Okay, that email is still correct. How do you want to change the email address?
no.
Okay, you fit change the abbreviation. Scroll up. Yeah, save. Yep. So now we are done. The only thing we want to do now is that arrow, tap on it again, that green arrow. Be like say we know
But
this.
for I never but I never do am for I
No,
never do am for autoresponder now.
no worry. Just tap on that arrow first. That green arrow. No, not this one. Just tap on green arrow. Yep. Number 1, that my name is. You want to change it to my real name. Yeah, my real name is. Yep. Just go back and save. Save it. So go to task now. Go to task. Duplicate that one too.
Oi. Wahala.
No be wahala na. Okay, e be like say you don.
Na 3 different things what we don dey do now. We don do the third one, na fourth one we wan do now.
Wetin you wan do? Wey you no
The
understand.
first thing
Wey you no understand abi wetin?
the first thing wey we do here now
Okay.
be say after I've cloned it.
Yes.
After I've cloned it, I first of all come to this place. Come to this configuration.
Yes.
Come to this place and I tap it. So it's now linked together.
Yes.
As in it now changed to number 3.
Yes.
Then I open this arrow.
Yes.
Then come to number 2.
Yep. Configuration.
Then I configured it to check my to change abbreviation and the email
address. Yes.
Then I save. I come back again. You ask me to open the arrow again.
Yes.
I open it.
Yes.
You ask me to go to number 1.
Yep. My real name is.
To change to my real name is okay. Okay. So now the fourth thing we want to do now.
Yes, now to link profile and task together.
Profile. Okay, now to go to task, have you?
Yes. Task. Okay, so first thing, just delete that number 3. That auto contact group 3, delete them. Delete.
This one I own. This one I own before.
Yes. So that auto contact with group 2, just tap on that group 2. Yes. Come to number 1. My real name. Put my real name. My real name. No be my name
Mine.
real. My real name. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Go back and save. Save.
Please. I need. I need to. I need to put this thing down.
Okay. Write that down now. You know my boss like this.
For here now. After I've cloned,
Yep.
I changed number.
Yes.
Then I in that I go to the arrow.
Yes. Change
Then
up.
choose to change abbreviation.
Yes.
Then after changing my real name,
Yes.
then the other thing we did is to come to
Task.
group 2
Mm.
for tasker.
For now group 1 or group 1 just exactly group 2. So then you choose option 1 like simple match figures and change it to my real name is change it to
I
my
think that is all.
yes. I don't do I will not forget say I off my mic. So so you just come to that my real name is that number 1 simple match figures. So anything that is in your autoresponder, that's what will be here as well. So me sometimes I use my full name, my real name, my name is. So I'll just change them to the thing with my autoresponder.
Yes. So that is all about tasker now.
Yes. So go back.
So it's not.
Go back when you do the last thing. Save them.
Okay.
Go to that profile. Profile, no. Like profile, main profile. Yep. So that arrow, that green arrow, just long press it. Select different task.
Now I will come back to a profile now.
Yes. Come back to profile, then check if the task is linked to the profile. Select different task. Tap on it. Okay. So tap on group 2. You see that it's previously linked to group 1. That is why it's showing group 2. So now tap on group 2.
You said that it's what?
Like before, you don't link with profile 1 with task 1, but now we want to change them to group 2. So group 2 will work for group 2, group 1 will work for group 1. You get?
Yes.
So you just tap on
group. Now group 2.
Yes.
Auto capture 2.
Yeah, exactly. Safe.
Michael,
Yep. I deal with you.
all these things wey we dey say for here, we never do anything for autoresponder.
No need, no need, don't worry. So if you want to confirm it's working now, you just go to autoresponder to test.
So it's not a must that we will duplicate an autoresponder again.
No, you know say we don't duplicate am before. We don't duplicate my real name is and my name is before that. So we just link am. So RDB we don't have anything like my real name, we duplicate it first. You get?
Because say you see am for my autoresponder that I have already duplicated something like that.
Yes, now.
Oh my god. MT group 2 added.
Yeah, the person don't follow instruction. Maybe the person said is having more than go to your WhatsApp, you see it. Now all those people where they come for a group.
Yeah, man, this first person.
Check.
Well, I would want to connect with you. My name is. That is the problem I'm having. You see, for this thing now, he didn't even add any.
Go back. Don't open them. No, so if you open them, it will not show.
And this thing we now answer her name with MT group. Anyway, okay, I removed the name. I said I should go back. That's what.
Like, do you have a save rule? Like this one, no, they reply now.
No, it will reply. Yes, it will reply. It will reply.
Okay, I'm coming. I want to see the issue for MT group is either two options. Either that.
Now all this thing make you to be master.
Now me I be small boy now.
Because you know, if you continue playing with things,
yes,
that thing will just become like your boy.
Exactly. Last. I got the words. Wait, happen. Wait. Like.
It don't go.
You don't go, I beg.
So that is all and all.
Yes, that was all for everything. We don't finish the push it.
Now like 2 bottles of beer they owe you like this. So.
I swear. Now to go buy me.
Now this one. If you like say you know they take beer.
I know they take beer, no man. I know they take alcohol, but I will just buy.
But you know Muslim now. You know be Muslim now.
That one no be say I no fit take am o, but no be say na sin or something. But me I just personal stuff.
Even if now we Muslim self, I dey see Muslims so they take alcohol for Lagos.
No.
As for you, I know say your name na Michael. Muslim no dey answer Michael.
I been Muslim no dey answer Michael.
That's it. Oh, right. Thanks so much.
Now you
receive money for 2 bottles of beer. I know say beer don't cost. Now beer na like 500.
I been may I just use that one. May I use that one? Go buy 2 egg, buy 2 super pack.
You and this know yourself. You and this know yourself. What's happen?
Oh, I know, Samuel. Now the 2 people who are the shows is part 1. You don't master me.
Nah, man. say they cry for food always. As we dey talk here, I hear the
Me and food now 5 and 6 at the shop. Oh, hey. ah.
okay, cause you no wahala beg, no wahala beg,
Oh, yeah,
no
man.
wahala. Anything wey you want this and do, na you sabi. But me say, as a man, why I be, I dey take beer, and it better for you as you know they take because that thing they consume money.
Sure.
If I tell you say money what money what I don't spend today, sef, I never make am today. I swear, I swear. That time why I tell you say I dey comot, as I comot, I spend money, I drink beer. No wahala, thank you. As for the extraction, I have told you the way you can extract now. I have told you the way you can extract.